Okay, Yardie Nation, we're going to put down some soil moisture managing product here for going into our spring and summer. And we have our Hydretain soil moisture managing product that we're going to apply to our Kurapia. The Kurapia is doing fantastic. We did an application of some nutrients earlier in the year, and it's taking effect. So now we're going to give it some insurance and put on some Hydretain. So what we're going to do is apply the Hydretain with our hose-in applicator that you see right here. We just come through. I applied a stress blend, slow release fertilizer to the Kurapia to continue to give it nutrients and to build it up for the stresses of the summertime. It's been really hot here in Los Angeles area, 90-degree weather for the past 2 weeks, which is unusual for the month of March, springtime. Now we're going to water it in. You do everything from this hose-in spray. It has the application so you can water it in. You could choose to go ahead and turn on your sprinkler system to water the product in, because the product must be in the soil profile, so it has to be watered in. Be sure to put in the comments Hydretain, and I'll send you all the Yardie Nation cheat sheet on Kurapia tips and ideas and secrets, and then we can be able to have a really nice thick Kurapia lawn or ground cover. Check that out. Look how thick that is. I mean, I'm stepping on it, and that's the impression that we got. And we had a lot of challenges with this backyard with Kurapia, but by taking our time and just applying the right kind of products at the right timing, we've been able to conquer a lot of the challenges that we've had here. Now the Kurapia is like going wherever it wants to go, which is cool. We can cut it back and add in areas that need to have it added. But as a ground cover in the planter bed area, check that out. I think the client's going to let it stay as a ground cover in the planter bed areas. But what we're doing right now is watering in the Hydretain so it reaches down into the soil profile where it needs to be so they can do its work. I'll put in the comments where you can be able to link in to get some Hydretain, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so when videos like this come out, especially when we're talking about Kurapia, you'll be able to be the first in line to find out what's going on and what's new and happening. And subscribe to our Yardie Nation in the link that I'll have in the descriptions. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and always watch the magic.